Well, hi there, friends, and welcome to Circle Time. Let's go ahead and get started with the date. So today we have a star because it's our Zoom meeting. So if you're watching this before we have it, I can't wait to see you. And if you're watching it after, I'm so glad I saw you. So today is the 22nd day of April. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready to sing it? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Let me hear ya. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. There's Sunday and there's Monday.
There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. 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 All right. And today is the 22nd, which is right here. So that means it is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. And it is our Zoom meeting day. Zoom, Zoom. So I cannot wait to see all of our friends. We said it was going to be partly sunny today, and that was a very good prediction. Did you get that rain yesterday and the thunderstorm? Oh my. That was quite a thunderstorm yesterday. What kind of weather are we going to have for our Thursday? What do you think? I heard somebody say cloudy. Really? Clouds. Clouds and wind. Wind and clouds. I like it when it's sunny. Play outside. How about if we say our alphabet together? Are you ready? Let's say it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Let's count to 15. But how about when we count to 15, we pretend we're a helicopter. And we swing our arms around our heads. And we're going to count to 15 as we swing. Are you ready? So we're going to start at the front of our body and swing it around to the back and back to the front. And around to the back and back to the front. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, we almost took off. Phew. That was a close one. All right, let's count backwards from 10 and launch off that rocket. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, looking for a rectangle. Who can find the rectangle? You see it? Here it is. What color is the rectangle? It is black. Good job. How about if we sing our shape song today? Are you ready? Oh, my internet likes me. Shapes have angles and lines, yeah. Flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. Are you ready? Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. I can't hear you. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Shapes have names of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes. Yeah, we do. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. What is this one? Rhombus or diamond. You can call that a rhombus or a diamond. All right. Looking for a color. Let's see here. Can you find the color white? Where's white? Right here. What shape is that? It is a triangle. It has 3 corners. 3 angles, I'm sorry. All right, Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Now, remember I talked to you about how the movie Shrek talks about the Muffin Man. Has anybody seen Shrek? It's one of my favorite movies. So I found that clip. Let's see. And here it is. This is the bad guy. And he's got Gingy, the gingerbread man. And they talk about the Muffin Man. Here we go.
Oh, not the buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons! All right, then. Who's hiding them? Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! She's married to the Muffin Man. My lord, we found it.
All right, so there you go. There's the Muffin Man, even in a movie called Shrek. That's a great movie to watch. All right, let's take a look at our letters. We've worked on the letter L, the letter F, E, H, T, I, U, and this week we're working on the letter C. C for cat. Hear my cat noises, let's see. Is it going to give me an ad or is it going to give me a cat? That cat noise sounds like Liberty Mutual. I don't think so. There we go.
Pampers helps
Nope,
keep babies'
Pampers
skin
now,
dry
goodness.
and healthy. Pampers, the
4,
number 1
3,
pediatrician
2,
recommended
1.
brand.
All the ads to hear kitty cats. Listen to those cats. Oh, that was a baby kitten. All right. So cookie starts with the letter C. Cat starts with the letter C. What's his name? Do you remember? We watched his video yesterday. He's from the movie Up. His name is Carl from the movie Up. And this character, he's from Beauty and the Beast. And his name is Cogsworth. Let's see if we can watch that snippet. There's Cogsworth.
I don't mean to intrude, but I've lost my horse, and I need a place to stay for the night. Oh, Cogsworth. Of course, monsieur. You're welcome here. Who said that? Over here. Where? I know.
All right. That's another great movie. Beauty and the Beast has Cogsworth in it. So it's time to make our letter C, our magic letter C. So let's go ahead and think about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters? At the top. All right, we're standing up and we're singing.
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Here we go. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reaching up. Nice and high. Then you better remember to start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go, Oz. Ah, ah. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Up. Shake it. Top. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Let me get some Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach it up nice and tall. Excellent. All right, we are making the letter C. And the letter C is just one big curve right onto our mat. One big curve. And there it is. That goes so easy to make the letter C. It's easy to build. Now we have to practice writing it. We always start at the top of our mat. And we have a big curve. Big curve. Now we sing the Magic C song right now. So are you ready to sing it with me? All right, let me get it up. All right, here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. All right, let's sing it one more time. You ready? Oop, here we go. Okay, put our fingers at the top. Here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Should we do it one more time? We're just so good at it. You have such a nice voice. Let's sing it one more time. Here we go. Starting at the top, right? Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Very nice, friends. That was great singing. We made the letter C. And C says k, 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 k. Excellent. All right. I hope you are able to attend the Zoom meeting today and see all of our friends and play a little scavenger hunt with me. And if you need anything, just reach out to Mrs. Hill and Mr. Mozingo. We're here to help mommies and daddies and little ones. See you soon. Bye.